In today's video, we are reviewing WholesaleX, a WooCommerce plugin that adds B2B and wholesale features to your store. If you're running or planning a wholesale or hybrid B2B plus B2C store, this might be something you are interested in. We'll look at what it does, how it works, and whether it's worth it. Let's get started. First up, what is WholesaleX? It's a plugin for WordPress and WooCommerce that lets you add wholesale B2B pricing, user roles, dynamic discounts, bulk order forms, catalog mode, and more. It supports both pure B2B setups and B2B plus B2C hybrid stores, so you can have retail customers and wholesale customers under the same WooCommerce store. It also has a number of add-ons. For example, bulk order, request a code, wallet, sub-accounts, white labels, etc. Now let's talk about the installation and setup. First, what we have to do is install the plugin. Now this has a free version that you can use, but if you want to upgrade to WholesaleX Pro, it's going to add more features. You can set up user roles, then create your first dynamic rules, set up the registration form settings, configure visibility and guest restrictions, test ordering as wholesale versus retail, set up bulk order form, and much more. Now let's talk about some of the features of WholesaleX, and we're going to start with user roles and wholesale pricing. In WholesaleX, you can create as many user roles as you want. By default, we have this B2C user and guest user. To add a new user, we can simply click on the Add New B2B role. Then we can add the name of the role, role ID, and registration approval methods. We can also choose how we want to display prices. And then we can configure other settings such as shipping methods and coupons. After that, we can save. And like this, we can add as many user roles as we want. Now, what about the wholesale pricing? We can also set up wholesale pricing with WholesaleX. So if there's a product, we can see that we can set the regular price and sale price normally. Again, we also have the option to add different pricing for different user roles. For example, if we want to add a special price tier for the B2B user that we just created, we can add the base price over here. And we can also add the wholesale price over here. We can add different price tiers if we want. We can choose the discount type from here. We can choose the pricing from here, and we can also choose the minimum quantity. Now in the product page, a B2B user can see the wholesale price right over here. Once the product is clicked, the price tier or the price table is going to show, and the dynamic pricing will work. Now let's talk about the dynamic discount rules and tiered pricing. Now we already took a look at the tiered pricing. Now let's take a look at the dynamic rules. So if we head over to the dynamic rules, we can create as many rules as we want. So there are various types of rules we can create. We can create product discount rule, card discount rule, payment method discount, required quantity for payment method, and so much more. For example, if we want to provide a product discount for a specific user group, we can do that as well. We can simply add the rule title, then select the rule type. We can also choose the user groups we want to select. We can either choose an entire group or target specific users. Then we can also choose all products or specific products, specific categories. It's up to us. Then we can also manage the discount, how much discount we want to provide. And then we can also add conditions such as cart total quantity, cart total value, cart total weight, etc. We can also add date and limit rules. Once that is set, the B2B users will see a special price only for them. So that is how the dynamic rules work. And if we want to set up tiered pricing, you have already seen how this works. You simply go into the pricing area, add the pricing such as this, and just keep adding price tiers. Once it's done, that specific user group will see the tiered pricing on the product page. Another neat feature of WholesaleX is the bulk order form. Now, if you have a wholesale website, the bulk order form is really essential. So what you simply do is go to add-ons, enable the add-on, take a look at the bulk order form, customize the settings, and once you're done, you can simply copy the shortcode, add the shortcode to a page, publish that page, and finally you can view the page, and you will have the bulk order form. This is where your customers will be able to add as many products as they want from this list and save those order lists if they want, and finally add it to cart and then proceed to checkout. So that's how the bulk order form works. Simple and effective. Now let's talk about the registration form for wholesale users. You can select manual approval and automatic approval as well. For registration forms, we can simply go to the registration form. This is where you can build your form. You can add a form title, you can show login form as well, so your users can either log in or register. You can customize the colors of all these fields, buttons, and the container. You will also be able to customize the typography settings of the fields, buttons, and you can also customize the size and spacing of all these. There's also pre-made designs that you can use for your forms. So let's say this is a very nice design. We can use this design if we want. We can also add different fields here as well. For example, if we want to add a first name, a last name, and we can also add confirm password and select roles. So users will be able to select the roles they want to register as. You can also drag and drop these around. So once this is done, you can save the changes, you can get the shortcode. Then you can create your page, add the shortcode, publish this page, and this is what you are going to see. That is how easy it is to create the forms. Again, if you want to add manual or automatic registration, we can simply go to the settings and customize the settings as well. We can make user login, manual login after registration, or auto login after registration. We can also take a look at the registration approval methods. We can use email confirmation, auto approval, or admin approval required, which is the manual approval system. So that is how the registration of WholesaleX works. Let's talk about request a code feature, which is very common in wholesale websites. So if we go to the add-on section, you can see there are several features available for WholesaleX. We can enable the conversation because that is essential for the request a code feature to work. Then we can enable the request a code feature, and after everything is done, head over to the website and then pick a product, and then we can add a product to our cart and then view the cart. And this is where users will be able to make a custom request. So they have to add a quote title, their email address, phone number, and message. So once the quotation has been submitted, the admin or the seller will be able to see the quotation request from their conversation and code. So once they click on this message, they will be able to reply to this message. So that is how the custom code and conversation feature work. WholesaleX also has a wallet feature through their add-ons. The wallet payment option allows users to add balance to their wallet, making payments on their online store a lot easier and faster. So what you can do is simply enable the WholesaleX wallet add-on, enable it from your payment section. You can add credits to your wallet, and as users, they will be able to add balance to their WholesaleX wallet. Now this will make the purchasing a lot easier for your users. Now there's another feature which is the sub account. So if you have a wholesale store, you might have employees who need sub accounts to maintain your store. In order to create sub accounts, you can simply enable the add-on. Once that is done, you can go to the dashboard, and then from the My Account section, you can access the sub accounts, and you can create as many sub accounts as you want for your employees. Now let's talk about the visibility. You can also control the visibility of your products. So for example, if there's a particular product, we can click on edit, and then we can scroll down, choose WholesaleX, and control the visibility from here. We can hide products for certain users, or we can specifically choose which users we want to hide this product from. So these were some of the interesting features of WholesaleX. Of course, there are a lot more to discuss, but we want to keep it short and simple. Now let's take a look at the pricing of WholesaleX. Now some of the features that you saw in this video are only available in the Pro version. And as you might have guessed, we were using the Pro version of WholesaleX. So let's take a look at the pricing. As you can see, WholesaleX has yearly and lifetime plans. Personally, if you ask me, I believe that lifetime plans are much more profitable, as yearly plans could cost you a lot as these require annual payments. But lifetime packages requires only one-time payment and the plugin is yours forever. You can keep using it without having to pay annually. But we will take a look at both plans. So the yearly plans start with the starter plan, which is normally $129, but with a 25% discount, it's available for $96 a year. Now this gives you one site license, 1 year updates, priority support, all add-ons such as request a code, reCAPTCHA, wallet, conversations, accounts, bulk orders. As we've seen some of these features, and you can understand that these are really helpful features for your wholesale website. You can also have unlimited user roles, product discounts, custom registration forms, and much more. The business plan is available for a discount price of $139 a year. This gives you up to 5 site licenses and many more features. And the agency plan is available for a discount price of $179, and it gives you up to 20 site licenses, and it also gives you the white label. Now, if you want to compare the features, you can take a look over here. Here's a distinction between the free starter, agency, and the business plan. So as you can see, with the starter, you get all of these features, but at the end you can see the premium high priority support is only available for the last 2 tiers. And then if we take a look at the lifetime plans, the starter plan is now available for a discount price of $174, the business plan is available for a discount price of $239, and the agency plan is available for a discount price of $279. If you want to get Wholesale X, you can check our video description for a link. So that's a review on Wholesale X. We hope that it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.